Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the historic town of Frank, Alberta, a place with a fascinating past and stunning natural surroundings. Located in the breathtaking Crow's Nest Pass region of southwestern Alberta, Frank is nestled between the majestic Rocky Mountains and the rolling foothills, offering visitors a chance to experience the beauty and tranquility of this unique landscape. The town of Frank was named after Henry Frank, a local businessman and politician who played a significant role in the development of the region in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His contributions to the community helped shape the town's identity, and his legacy is remembered in its name. Frank is perhaps best known for the tragic event that occurred in 1903 when the nearby Frank Slide, a massive rock slide, buried part of the town and left a lasting impact on its history. Today, the Frank Slide is a natural landmark and a poignant reminder of the power of nature. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or simply want to experience the warmth of a small town, Frank welcomes you and invites you to discover its rich past and stunning surroundings. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Frank, Alberta. Thanks for watching.